Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video is in the continuation of the previous video. In the previous video, we learned to write the CNN model from scratch and trained it on our own dataset for scene classification. That includes categories such as forest, mountain, building, glacier and sea. In this video, we will load the saved model we trained in the previous video and use it to make the prediction on the images inside the folder seg_prid. So seg_prid basically have images that are unlabeled and we will make prediction on them. So let's get straight to the code. Let's name our notebook as CNN-scratch-inference. So first I'll quickly import all the libraries that we will use inside the code. In the next step, we will copy the training directory path which we will use to fetch the category name like we did in the previous video. And also we'll save the path for seg_prid directory on which we will make the prediction using our tune model. Then we will simply copy the ConvNet class from the training code over here. And now let's load the checkpoint that we got from the previous code. So checkpoint is basically a dictionary, the saved model. Then we'll call the ConvNet class where we feed 6 as a number of classes. And then we feed the checkpoint inside the model using load_state_dict. And now we write model.eval. So it is important to write model.eval before the inference to set dropout and batch normalization layers to evaluation mode. Failing to do this will yield inconsistent results. Then we just copy the transformer from our training code and remove random horizontal flip from this, since we want to make the prediction on the original images and not on the horizontally flipped images. And then we write the prediction function inside which we will feed the image path and transformer as input. So inside the function, we first read the image using image.open from pillow package. Then we feed the image to transformer so that it converts it to the tensor. Since PyTorch treats all images as batches, so we have to add an extra batch dimension using unsqueeze function. Now we check if CUDA is available or not. If yes, then we will move the image to CUDA. Otherwise, it will still use CPU. And now we convert the tensor to variable. So finally, we make the prediction using model with input inside it. This will give us an array with probability for each category. And then we apply argmax function to get the category ID with maximum probability. So now we get the category name by feeding the index into classes and return the category name as an output of the function. So in the next step, we fetch path for all the images inside seg_prid folder and save it inside images_path. And then finally we write an empty dictionary print_dict, inside which we will save image name as key and prediction as value. Now we print pred_dict. We can check that image name 12541 is predicted as mountain, which is indeed mountain. 15375.jpg is predicted as forest, which is also right. So now let's check for building. Image 7736.jpg is predicted as building, which on checking is also right. So that's it for today. Let me know in case of any doubt in the comment section, and I'll keep adding more PyTorch related videos in future. So please do subscribe the channel and I'll keep you updated. Thank you.